Good day, children. Yesterday we learned the pronunciation of the spellwell words. Today we are going to learn some meanings and comprehension of this lesson. It is lesson number 6, Gulliver in the land of Lilliput. You can see in this picture, Gulliver is in the land of Lilliput, and Lilliputians are so small people. They have tied Gulliver in the ground with the pegs. Okay, and they have made a stand because they are too short now. That is why they are climbing on the stand and then talking to Gulliver. Okay, now the words. There is a word named shipwrecked. Shipwrecked means left by a ship, destroyed at sea. Something which is left by a ship, destroyed at sea, is called shipwrecked. Gulliver was shipwrecked because he was almost destroyed by the ship. Somehow he went to a strange island, but he was a shipwrecked. Okay. The sentence is, heroine of Titanic was shipwrecked but saved in the end of the story. This is the picture of Titanic ship as shown in the picture Titanic. I've taken a snapshot from there. So the meaning of shipwrecked is clear. Something which is left after the ship is destroyed. Next word is pegs. Pegs are short nails used to hold or tie the objects to the ground. Not only ground, it can be on wall also, like this you can see in this picture. The sentence is, the mirror is hanging on the peg. You can see 3 pegs are there and this mirror is hanging on the peg. Fastened. T is silent in this word. Fastened. Fastened means fixed. You can see in this picture, the rope is fastened in the peg. This is also a peg which is fixed in the ground. And this rope is fastened in the peg. Okay. Next, the word is cords. Cords means ropes. Okay. And the sentence is, cords are very useful to tie things. Cords are very useful to tie things. So, these ropes are very useful to tie things. You can see this is the picture of ropes. These are also called cords. Now the lesson. I've explained these words. Now let us start the lesson. Okay. Gulliver in the land of Lilliput. Did you like the story of Gulliver's travels in the previous chapter? Are you curious to find out what happens next? Read below and find about Gulliver's adventure when he was shipwrecked in a land of people who were only 6 inches tall. So, Gulliver was shipwrecked in a land of people. Which land of people? Where people were only 6 inches tall. Here the meanings are given, so you will not write the meanings in your copy. You can write only the sentences. Okay. Now let us start this paragraph. Gulliver is again the narrator in these lines. I is Gulliver. I must have slept for about 9 hours, for when I woke up, it was daylight. You remember Gulliver was sleeping on the patch of grass? He was fast asleep over there. So now Gulliver has slept about 9 hours. When he woke up, he found that he has slept about 9 hours. And when he woke up, it was daylight. It was at 8 o'clock he reached the island, and now it was daylight. I tried to get up but I couldn't move. Gulliver couldn't move. My arms and legs were tied to pegs. You know what are pegs? Fastened into the ground. Fastened also you know the meaning. Fastened means fixed into the ground. Thin, strong cords were tied across my body and attached to pegs in the ground. My long hair was spread out and tied down in the same manner. I will read once again. I must have slept for about 9 hours, for when I woke up it was daylight. I tried to get up, but I couldn't move. My leg, my arms and legs were tied to pegs fastened into the ground. Thin, strong cords were tied across my body and attached to pegs in the ground. My long hair was spread out and tied down in the same manner. So, now tell me some answers. For how many hours Gulliver slept in that island? Yes, he slept for about 9 hours. What was the time when he woke up? Okay, when he woke up, it was daylight. Was Gulliver able to get up when he tried to move? No, he couldn't get up. Why couldn't Gulliver not get up? Why couldn't Gulliver get up when he wanted to? Gulliver couldn't get up because his arms and legs were tied to pegs fastened into the ground. What was used to tie Gulliver's arms and legs? Strong cords were used to tie his body, to tie Gulliver, and attached to pegs in the ground. What happened to Gulliver's hair? Yes, his hair was spread out and tied down in the same manner. Oh my God, his hair was also tied. Amazing. Now, children, you are going to do this activity sheet. These two questions are related to the exercise in the book. You are going to find out the answers of these books and write in your fair copy. And you have to frame the sentences of your own. Don't copy the sentence which I have given. Okay? Frame the sentences of your own. Frame sentences of your own. This is the condition. I will send you the answers, but when you frame the sentences, I am going to check those sentences. Okay? So do this work and send me the picture. I'll send you the answers tomorrow after one day. Okay? Bye and take care.